Rising like the smoke, you linger on me. You got me so high, I can finally breathe.
Alright guys, so we are back with another video. Today's hair is from Dorhair. So I'm gonna go ahead and box it so you guys can see. So you're gonna go ahead and get the pamphlet, and this is just how to take care and maintain your wig. It came with a wig cap. It also came with an elastic band. Alright, so this is what she looks like coming out of the package. She's a pretty color. She smells amazing, okay? So this is the color. I love that it has dark roots because blonde, it's not like it's more like a honey blonde, but blondes to me, they're so scary. So I'm super glad it comes with that. This is the construction of the unit. As you guys can see, this is the lace right here. It has a clip here, it has a clip here, and it has a clip here. And also it comes with a clip at a nape, well at the nape, and also the drawstrings. So just by looking at this, I'm gonna put this on my hand so you guys can see the customization of it. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, I don't know why I get tongue twisted every time I try to do a voiceover. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my unit. You guys know I always use my 𝚬𝚜𝚜 hairspray. It's just my go-to and it gets the job done. I noticed that when I'm using this method, especially for the winter, I get a long-lasting hold versus in the summer where I'm, you know, doing a little bit of sweating, so it doesn't last as long. But I can get a 1 to 2 day wear when it's, I mean, I can get it longer than that, but you know, I do different reviews, so I do have to take it off, and it's just more convenient than me actually have to put like bold hole glue on every time I'm doing a wig. You know, I would have no edges. I don't like that product anyway, but you guys get my drift. So, if you are OG, you already know how to do this, but I don't know if I was picking up my nose or something was on my nose, but but yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch this and we'll come back once she is all laid and secured. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and create some baby hairs. I feel like baby hairs is key. Well, you don't need them. I know some people hate them with the life. You know, with their entire life, they just hate them. But if you are a baby hair fanatic like myself, then you can, you know, continue to watch. Now, when creating baby hairs, you want to cut at an angle. When you cut at an angle, sis, it makes it easier for you to do your swoop the doop doop doops, okay? I just find it easier anyway, in my, you know, opinion. Now, I do use the 𝚬𝚜𝚜 hairspray. I just spray it on my edge brush and, you know, just lay the hair down. It's very, very quickly done, and it molds the hair right in place. I've tried to use the gel with the hairspray and it just lifts up my lace. So since I laid it down, melted the lace using the 𝚬𝚜𝚜 hairspray, I can't use the gel because it's like a wet product and like a semi-dry product, and it just doesn't go. You would think the products coincide, you know, they go hand in hand, but they don't. So I'll let you know right now, if you do that, or if I put a lot of that foam wrap lotion or mousse, my lace will lift up too. So that's just FYI. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle this unit out. The curls were so pretty on this unit. I'm telling you, they were so bomb. But I did have to go in and adjust the curls because I don't like curls facing towards my face. I like all my curls to go backwards. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm not, taking out any of the curls. I'm just adding in and, redirecting them. So I'm also creating a part here too. As you guys can see, I always have this technique when I don't feel like plucking my units or plucking the part. Just add concealer. It will widen up the part, and it will also have your wigs looking like sis. She did the dang thing, okay? I'm going in with my Babyliss Pro mini flat iron to get into the roots. I do not like bulky frontals. I don't like bulky wigs. I want everything to lay nice, silky, and flat. So I just used my Beyond the Zone. I think it was my, Beyond the Zone heat and protectant. And then I went in with this wax stick I got from another company. And I think it's Love Me. I'm not sure, but I'm using a wax stick to make sure no flyaways or anything was sticking up. So we just going in. And this is also good if you guys don't have a hot comb, because everybody said, oh my gosh, I need a hot comb. I need a hot comb to lay my wigs in and make it, look melted. No, you don't. You can take a mini flat iron and get the same results. Now, I lost mine, okay? So at this point, I just use my flat iron. You might have to take smaller sections, but sis, it still gets the job done. I swear by it, period. Don't let them people telling you out here lying, telling you need a hot comb, because you really don't, So this is what she looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and continue that. And like I said, I'm gonna add curls in it, and that is gonna be pretty much the video. I will give you guys a rundown of how the wig overall how it's doing. So yeah, stay tuned for that. So let me know what you guys think so far. Okay. Y'all, I'm so hungry. Okay, I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat. I don't know what I want to eat, but your girl is so hungry. So yeah, let's get right into the final thoughts and conclusion of this unit. So y'all can tell, I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but I freaking love this unit. Dorhair did the dang thing when they created this bomb unit. It's so pretty. I love the color. I don't know if this is a camera, but it looks like it ombres into like a bright blonde and then goes down a little bit warmer. It may could be my camera and the lighting and things of that nature, but y'all, this wig is popping. I wanted to show you guys that you guys can actually get these units and wear them straight out the box, so I wanted to show you guys, if you bought the wig and wanted to wear it the next day, this is what it would look like. It would look bomb because it's already styled. Okay, it's so much easier when the unit's already styled versus you have to go in and style it. Now in the video, I did go ahead and one curl some of the curls back away from my face because I don't like everything in my face. That's just me. If you guys like that one curl pattern all the way around, or pattern all the way around the unit, you are more likely, you're more than welcome just to leave the unit in its natural state. I did notice throughout the whole installation I was getting a little bit of snag and tag. As I was detangling it, as you guys see, the unit is already curled, so I would expect that. Two, I really thought that this hair was going to be more so on the drier side because sis, it's bleached, and as you guys can see, the color is beautiful, but I really expected it to be dry. And this wig is so beautiful and it's so soft and it's so luscious and you can just run your hands through it. I was super shocked that you have to have good hair to be able to bleach, and Dorhair has hit the top of my list when it comes down to a hair being colored. Just check the description section below because normally I have everything down there. I don't know if I just picked a medium cap size or whatever. Normally I do medium, and medium fits my big head. So yeah, so just check down there for all that information. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, you girls, see you later. Bye guys.